Good morning. This is Bob Wilkerson. I'm getting excited this morning. I'm ready to get going. I don't normally do the pump stuff, but today I need it. Today I need to get up and get excited to think good thoughts. I want to read something to you just as soon as I can find it, and I've had my first cup of coffee, and I want to read what Henry David Thoreau said. He said, "If one advances confidently in the direction of his dreams and endeavors to live the life he has imagined, he will meet with a success unexpected in common hours." In other words, what that means is, buddy, if you work for it, you're going to get it. And sometimes what we have to do is just get up, get excited, motivate yourself to do and accomplish your goals. It's kind of like be your own cheerleader. Sometimes if you're not your own cheerleader, who's going to be your cheerleader? Hey, let me cheer you on this morning. You are successful. You are a winner. You are a champion. And as I say this to you, I'm saying it to myself. Hey, we're going to accomplish our goals today. We're going to be successful today. We're going to get hyped up today. And we're going to stay that way all day long by thinking good thoughts, positive thoughts, and we will succeed. Hey, good morning. Let's get going. Let's have a great day out there today. This is Bob Wilkerson with HelpForToday.com. Adios.